awesome. Yeah. This area is just so quiet and peaceful and green with mountains surrounding it, with tires on the roof so they don't blow away. Very nice place. Very nice indeed. Very cute. Quiet mountain town. I don't know if it's a mountain town, but it's a quiet town at least. Its name? Norwood. I'm looking for a place to sit down and eat my lunch. So what are we having for lunch, Marcus? Is it gonna be a nice lunch? Oh yes, it is. It's gonna be muesli with water. Very nice. Many nice ladies in this town. She's going to the liquor store. She doesn't know I keep an eye on her. Okay, creepo. Okay, so let's eat lunch and get on the road again. Yes. I don't know if I told you where I fill up water. You're like, Marcus just gets water somewhere and then it just runs out way too fast all the time. So I'm gonna show you. Yeah, it is. Nice. So I'm filling up my water here. Okay. Yeah, now we're filled up on water. What about us? What about us? Well, anyway, motorcycles use extreme caution. And you see the tipping truck on the sign over there. I don't think you see it, but I tell you. By the way, Telluride is over there. So, do you want to be on my head and see the thing? Yeah. Okay, let's put it on. I have nothing to tell you about this area, other than the river is very brown. It doesn't even look steep, but it's just that it goes on for 20 kilometers that way, and I have 6 more to go. And you have this cloud of rain chasing me for like 3 hours now. I don't know if you can see the sweat, like it's... I mean, look at that, Jesus. It's so crazy how much up we've done. Look at this. We have snow, we have nice mountains. Amazing! We did it! Elevation almost 9,000 feet. I don't think I've ever been this high with a bike before. Let's go down, babies. Let's go down. 2 seconds later, snow and hail. Very nice. It got pretty crazy pretty fast. I had to take on my helmet because the hail hurt my head. I mean, I've never had that. No more traffic, a nice bike path, tailwind. My life is wonderful. And I'm listening to 𝘬𝘪𝘭𝘮𝘵. Very sweet. Okay, it looks like we're in for nasty weather. Today was probably the toughest day, both mentally and physically, that I've ever had while cycling. Like, I actually didn't want to be on the bike. Even though I told myself, I'm like, Marcus, it's only a matter of time until you're gonna feel good again. I was like, I don't care. It was really bad. Let's get a little drunk and then let it pass. It was tough, but you made it. Yeah, I'm proud of you. Thank you. I'm also proud. Well, that makes 2 of us. It's weird to say that, especially when other people see it. It's very weird to say I'm proud of myself, but I am. Give yourself a pat on the shoulder and say, whatever your name is, you're fucking awesome.
Didn't sleep almost anything. We had a huge storm. It's wet all over here. It's been leaking in. My sleeping bag is wet. I didn't sleep almost anything.
Today is the day when I throw away my tent. So the tent is now in there. The tent is no more mine. I did not like that tent.
This is Marcus, a huge pussy. Miss. Miss. I wish we had a better day.
Yeah, me too.
Let's go. Yes. You drove over it.
Oh!
I'm so happy about myself. Proud.
So it's a good way to end the round.
360s are rare.
Yeah, right, all the way around.
This is so tough. Why didn't I bring the slinky? I don't even see Jeremy. Oh my god. That was so tough. Flip flops.
They want to race back down?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, very nice. Very tired. I just pulled the worst fart in my life, I think.
Crop dusting myself the whole way up.
Crop dusting?
Yeah, crop dusting.
What is that?
Farting on myself.
I have some stuff that I want to bring up to you, and I have a list here of things that I will talk about. I'm not used to doing the scripted stuff, so you gotta bear with me here. Okay, don't film from underneath. The tent sucked. It had been leaking for many months. Sorry for it being windy. Going through changes. From here on, the content in this vlog is going to change a little bit. It's going to be more serious. It's going to be a little bit more documentary style, but it's going to have the same kind of continuity and consistency of it. So on Thursdays, it's going to be only the bicycling vlogs. So the daily challenges, where I am, where we're going, what are we up to, all that kind of stuff. And that's on Thursdays. And then we're going to release, I'm really going to try to make this work because I want more content out there. It's a lot more fun. For the other days, I'm going to post at least one video every week. And those are reviews, meetings with people, 𝘬𝘪𝘭𝘮𝘵, the people down in Colorado City, Terry Ann in Moab, people like Walker. I want to meet these people all over the world, and they're going to be released on a different day than Thursdays. The third and last one is locations. So whenever I get to a location, that's its own movie. Why am I telling you this? The coming months we're going through Canada and the west of the United States, the real west, like Oregon, Washington, California, Nevada, Death Valley. There's a lot of nice stuff coming up. So what I need you to do, because I'm gonna need your help in all of this, to decide where we should go, which one we should meet with, what we should do at a certain location. I need your help in all this, so please subscribe and leave a like if you like. If you like my hats, leave a like. I want to thank 4 new patrons that I've got in the past weeks, and they are Joakim, Jeremy, Miranda, and Otis. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you want to support me, you can just scroll down here and you can press the link that says support me Patreon. Bike Flow is not about me cycling the world. It's about me cycling the world, interacting with everything that you want me to. So everything we're going to experience in the future, in the coming years, is going to be your decision. That's what's cool about this. We're doing it together because it's very lonely to cycle alone. Plastic bag, socks, my only comfort. Thank you for watching the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe, because that's how you can choose what you want to see while cycling through the world. Until next time, I take my hat off and I bow to you. Skadoosh! Skadoosh!